digital ID. Any Ghana card. Shedda issue Ghana card. So far, 18 million Ghanaians are Ghana card. Ghana card also a unique identity. There's a Ghana digital ID database. Ghana. Like card in the fight against corruption. Since they won't miss you, your digital ID is your unique identifier. Now you have a problem with ghost workers. Nipa omo kweji mamba tumoji akatia. Now what also? Na omo yefro ghost workers. Nsamanfo, but nsamanfo no omo problem na ako. Omo ni fingerprint. Yes, sir. Nsamanfo ni fingerprint. Mekase young for Ghana card no kuchiwo. The Ghana card no echo. You call first institution Senate pensioners payroll. You call 29,000 ghost pensions. Was Senate 400 million Ghana cedis of savings. One institution 29,000 ghost pensions. You they call National Service Scheme.
Watching a woman so one or two switch Musabana woman Siamon Swa and Kakra Barrow Bomotin Yawguswada Econim.
Yaban, a buying a few or 3 SHS, hereby 2017, and a president, and our father Freddy, or say 3 SHS, no, you meet me, I say 2017, I'm saying Yamiado, you meet me, I and shares here, and then you call 5.7 million children, and you have 3 senior high school education. 5.7 million. ABC media then said 2016 number also see man senior high school. For every 100 boys, now you will 68 girls was senior high school. But 3 SHS no team. It's the same man also see man was senior high school. For every 100 boys, you were 106 girls. The Testament said, performance or examination, or waxing examination, or a picture. 2016 pass rate now a 45%. 2023 pass rate 64%.
I was on your turn and Kaya Ghana man Penyabedi doctor Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Now Franka Tunya Bedi Chodema and Pipia Manukono, Dr. Matthew Poko Prampa so ne dia nemu. Na wode akopia mu ewo amoafo be kwa traditional area. Na mmatena konya na so no kopia ya na okasei. Ensem wode kwato dwa no wo kire mu se afempimienu no dum wo 2018 nimu no. Mampanyin na dan kwa akufo ado ya Ghana mampanyin no. Na adwumade sonko bi akoso ewo University of Professional Studies ebra na yebokofa by the masuapo no na napoko ampoma na yebo no abaso ena okopie mu se wo sonko kra na ewo no okwohye na nabo se asebe predia sa ma ne nkone kra chi ansa na wahye nemu nyam sansa na dwuni ya na kita no ne nyansa dodo ne nim de ne nyansa ne hunu mu a hunu ya enam so ma suapo ya baba ye suapo kase pa ne ntino wobaro so betumi ahye na nemu nyam na bra wote ase wato ne din enam sa so ma sabo hye no wo kan wo de ache na se sabi onye se bia NPP amanyoko no womra fikura na wonma ya adwene se efre nyame ya domo a afempemienu ne aduonu num so de kro ya NPP wonma se de nkunimu no wombaro se University of Professional Studies yebada no sadin no na yade ato nanapoku ampoma na yade ahye ne munyam na we no kura na wasanka ebra wonya ne finhia na duokono enum 95 years no ana wasanka sa bodin yade ma no na so anka achi sa bibia mu no yen kakran nti wo sana na bosai enche sa bodin no omode be ma no
Aupuku apoma esti ebuja kamera na check in the year 7 Korean. And check Rabel Swebe in the funny. It's a cabinet, a president who's education minister no one. Sir, the co-part grant to invest the control part grant. SB Dumbu, the year or CK Tedder, the year or Fire no Massey, or Piamica, the year or Emo. What one in mind? I got to get in mind. And the two who are millionaire assassin. If you're my mom, and yeah, I did chat. It's also the country parliament. Parliament is son. Yeah, we could do phone call. The university I came in Ghana by 680. UPSCD. What to go up Manasi. And no bullshit. And another pipe, then another share. Then another punch. Who may be dear one? Just to be referred to book.
Anyuma da seni rano where Dr. Matthew Opoko Prampano na nwachino eno de batu jachra sa sani aba na amansia eastin so emponto nyuma baba wonti wasra pasa fia bato no ma won munyi MPP mada biara da namso nti nipa me ya won mo de ne ba na wagina mu akwamra se wja fie dia ma de hye wo ho aye ora Ralph Opoko adu sei na ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia sama mpanyini enti afia bato no won kai ni pa mienu
Amasia Central, Amasia Eastern. Am I in the one quiet bells? Also, your friend in the quiet municipality. What am I normally behind it? The Akenchi. And then another will have party. I really will party Kukufu. As a Kukufu Polo, in Ira. Of Fire, Denia Saya, and Bodoma Ira, Ascentia Ira. Or say, Biddy. By the Bia and mine. By the Biddy share, mine. He said, yeah, you are very well. Yes, she should know. Yes, she should know. And fat for your ma, says, I did to be bad. I can feel any. The boys are below. We want to be in that Salvador.
And watching the contain your war and more for no about about 1 person so. One so Ekasaka cry afa a dear and nay, one watcher some Baba Dana University of Professional Studies. Now, what they are to Nanapoku and Pomanaho.
Women know what we are now to so obligation. See, my nose and the beaches and your parents. Yes, we are. I had the papa one end and in the end. Tell papa, but I hear family on can you? One boy, me to be a mark that's a break or 2 for her dear. And they said the papa has said, Mr. Big point, and your can't get any yesterday. Say, you are. And I said, what's so good work for him? In 2 years ago, you will. And I did what fruit your parent and your piano. Gay a more from memory, a slap, they will talk from many names. Say the papa boy, I him man, I ye know, and now I am more from my him already. The 207 hope, yes, when I'm making. Now I'm why I be a video game this year. Sremin and she are more for mine. And what be as I said about 1 and 9. And I said, that's a
I was on your turn and carry a year and more frequent to him. No, now Dr. Matthew Opoko Prampano and Wamananswa. One never quite this year coco shy. Ya one more casaka cra. I want to go to jar at your say. I want to say, Quabas and your man quite year. Ghana mamrano ama ho kwanse Ghana ni bie drop to so do kokromuti abakwa kwatim no wasesa ban ne mrahye odwafo na so no ne ade a eha Ghana pa era 2020 abato no wase ya no kwade ya to ne skata mbra so kwawi akire so obi to ma MPP a afa na no se odwa akonya na wato ase no ne no so ne namba bi wase ya no kan ho bi ama NDC amanyoko no won kwaye kokoti wo mrahye odwafi afa nhyehyɛ pa na ban no de ba no mo botugu anam so nto obesere sa afia bato no Ghana for sabi oyam ye ni na ho ne awase ye to a ne ye to ni nyina da e dia ma NPP
MPP ti a che ensuomo ewiemo be kwai mai e de MPP jira e na be kwai de jira ayibe bu hu ye ya de ba na dom dia sofo panyifo ho e be three say up in the house to house the other chance if you are so for the imam for the empire man no moon shray akwanche no na ye ko be kwai ye dru be kwai krom ye ko house to house na asem na ye ka no atasum atakomaso na 7 December ko to abana de Dr. Baumbeja no e wa na Dr. Kokoti if we say the quiet a sipping the quiet a sida said in Nakaya no Yabatu no ya na content crubia bede content crub the problem the quiet na ekonachi enye enkone enti adwuma dey the did not put to a quiet in here. So the quiet for Tuaba, man call house to house, village to village, home to home, bed to bed, room to room. Uncle Sompa MPP bye bye or year. Uchadi are now Cofabone. The quiet Gidia, or say, a being Sibio. Now the presidential candidate go Atuama MPP Atuama MPP. It could do baby na parliamentary candidate ma to the basa. Miss Shemo. The HM no one day. HM ko. The boy di no one day. The aka the day. The aka the day. The aka the day. Answer the baby abo by. Also be adie in twa obi mpoa ebom de wa unkofa bone nyede emba
I was so worried Dr. Matthew Opoko Prampano no wire Franka Tunia Bedichire Adema NPP amanyoko no ya to nsam no so na kabasa abosome no miensa Ghana ya kwa kwato santena kwa kwato aba nipa ko abato amande wo wankasa wo ho na Liberal Party of Ghana LPG amanyoko no panyepaya wode ne mo ye yewura kofi akpalo na dia todwa wo se ne tiri mo poye wo ne tiri mu no nya bone kora se wo basa Ghana de o man na konachi ama Ghana asa konso ankwaso mu biem na adwene po anada yaso ya wonya no kire mu se nyankropo ya adom ma Ghana foto aba ma na fi no abetena konya so a wo ba se Ghana ne bia no a wonya nyamfinhia no wotwe me kire nkoda no bosume bia betua wo ka 500 Ghana cedis enka ne sika 5 million afei wo bia wo wie suku na so adwuma ho ya dedi ama wo no wo so yebetua wo ka bosome bia 700 Ghana cedis anka ne sika 7 million wo se we ni nyina no ya nada ya so na ni so ade hu na wo tena se adwene wo pa sa bebo ma Ghana ya san so akekire ni yie na no kura mponso ho a wo se $10 billion eno so ya foto kura ya obabie sane ye be ya ye nuanom a wo mo bibie no waso da ye pa sansan no nyuma wo besua bie no safo no ye dia bo on ho bra.
In this book we have what is called child benefits. When we say child benefits, what we mean is that every child in Ghana every month will be paid 500 Ghana cedis. All the children in Ghana below 18 years, every month they will be paid by government of Ghana 500 Ghana cedis. Ghana cedis as unemployment benefit. In this document, LPG government is going to set up a $10 billion job fund. Any young man out there who want to go into self-employment, government will give you a loan to start that business of yours. In this document, there's so much in this document. So I want to take small portion of the document and read to you. My fellow Ghanaians, brothers and sisters, it is with immense humility and gratitude that I share with you this document. Our country is a country of many tribes.
I was so worried a year LPG amanyoko no franka tuni ora kofi akpaloni na nakasa sempo yetene no na banyefo senyuma des ni rano ye kwa ma no so na ne panye kwankyerefo ya kwa akodi enkomo abanye kase amwajo LPG mo ana wano ne brofo da pa o ada papa
Oh, me that
na yata se wo se Ghana for na nkoda no a wo nyanya mfisha ne du nwotwe no wo betua obi aka bosome 500 Ghana cedis afa unemployment for no so area 700 na ye bi sasa sikai wadaro mo wo he fa na kwa be so na befa so abaye no
yo then say akola bia wo Ghana bia ya wo no ke Ghana hanu the man Ghana card number. Which is Ghana card number now. The Sumidiano, the map for 500. The chairman, which is my phone, which is Kanyamo, Omodikasham Kalama. Some men on Yajuma on my Suleiman 700 cities. Yes, a Sumidiano. Some men my Naya. That's a Nukuna Jana, and that's a Nukuna Jana. I just been 2007. Now, yeah, Juma dia, and then yeah, been 2000. Sorry, Reno. Now, Canada, I will finish. And you dollars, and then you euros and pounds. I will finish. Finish Ghana Hanum, Yenani Russell, Cabana Russell, which is our buying some. It's a band that said, you got a babon king, Abribia.
Obibaka sasem ye dadodo sanse bosome ba so na akoda wonyanya 18 yama ne sika na fe ma me so agene de ne ade no Ghana so na yesu en se sika ni wo mayi mu kwa ba so na ba fa se sika wo se be kana de adani
ya ba so bi de America so se Ghana hanum sika di wono mo boa bala ni bi kuma na yesi and when you see that Ben on Sagana Kobosia cities, I got no clue, mother.
Ebin Sida.
You say Kobobia, $1.
No crap.
Don't let somebody buy you new one thing. She told you for a quantity in your money. Cities, you know, and one year, and what will be a man or former. Maybe I will be a gun is coming in an idea.
Okay.
And then if I claim the gun and if be our second gun is coming. You. And you see a check money should be also. You. That will be any.
Na yero go fie bua meka kro de boko to dwomo pa ya na wo twena wie ya de koda ya na de asode yi ayasa na no ballot ni ya mu ye electoral commission ma mu ye ya tete se wo na wo yi number 1 ena wi akire woni MPP adane ya ne ade na afe wa ba di number 5 yase ya bo ahye okakra kora na wada me mu nsam kakra te sei
obinya ba jeno ko ko bi ani de tete nipa bi ne no se o mo di video bi abeto bonten nipa mi no a
no kra
o mo change papers na nipa bi no bo o no I was say and tomata de no your son of chairman Makumenu our MPP ni madishie and I do all you fan so the friend of Evans ni Makum on the MPP director of elections only MPP 4 and no more than krata na ma omo me na me satade ayifita na ye t-shirt ye Lacoste mabetino we are number 8 for her. And he said, Mamma, TV, no. No, said, if you call you Mabano, first one, you know, number 8. And I'm able to say, I'm so very number 8. Can you tell me how to be able to because I come on. And I'm the best I did talking, you know. Come on, you Korean gossip, number 8, you know. And before you number 7, tell you for you, know. And I'm in the media. It's in the answer as a Kurana, Sabi, you know, more kind of crown, or maybe better one thing. So let me tell you. Now, it's I know what to say. No, we are the media to say, you know, Sana, a beautiful. And you know, and yes, you're quite a minute in the room, let me in the room. So you could be able to win a 5. And the finest I'm do, actually 5 years in the 8, you know, you was 8 in the last election, number 8. And the quite a man of you because we shall probably branch and almost all the 8 on when you ask the papa.
Not just number 5 for no, we you know. What want to say account our about 21?
Hey, account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 account for so 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, what they are. Asmato.
Yes, I see our phone yet.
I tell you, I don't have people like think.
Okay.
Tebuna, they got to a panosono, 8 and so and Tressa. Brother Bransana, what complete they were a Siena table. Would they for table? Never paper. Now people are watching table, who complete never brother break. It means 2020 elections, you know. Affecting the vote.
Okay. Now, me de wo chakra no. Na Ghana for ka say ekwan ya ya faso electoral commission faso ema mo file ni ade no emu gododo nti asa ni panelist ne do so sade wo kra wo kan enti nka betumi anka ya nyiri mutare ani anya hwekura ni pa ba say 500 kra na nka o betintim di ama wo ansa na won ka ta na ko electoral commission ama na je atomu anka ye wona safo no ya adwene sa
since you are nipa 500 and over. And you.
Oh, okay.
I said, this to be our Ghana piano. We had nipa 2. And on best amount. And it was 261 districts. So it's about 500 and what 14. So people to sign for you. And yeah, it's a mistake, you know. Na mistake na omo ya no o se 5 million bi omo kan enye is sa
you enye is sa ira kofi enkomo ensi hasanse enya nto abanwie enti ye bekoso abra no bra no ye no bedi nkomo nyame hia wai
na me sa to mi aba
LPG
ya konkwa
mo I was your way, you rakofi akpalunia na kasa ye no. Woye LPG panye kwancho for ya wotu franka de ama wonom. Ya toa ansam no aso. Efre na no memenda de ba ne ko ye fra won say democracy hub. Won mo sha ase so woye oye kire wo ma Ghana mo sansa anuoma enkwaye. Na anuoma enkwaye ne nyina mu no. Na ka enim sanka won mo ye kire no so ba be kwaye. Abaya asumdiem ama anuoma tumi agina yie. Na so fiti na no kwasiada Arabaka na joya ya for fida ya kasai ansam wa ya tete no ano de pa na na wia ya prompt braka se bo mo kwai bo amane sa ora Oliver Baka vama wa ya wono aya panyi kwantrofo a sa wa ya kire wodi animuo no Posi for car will be named Sakano, Sano, a Yanafo. San Sapan or person Kaja, Posi for German Nanko, one the co. Ya wako to key the sada say, one a destiny. When you know, summer would be a bobo buyer. And yet, yes, I'll show anyone Cramantemua. Now, my posse for any abre. Now, I know my boy is a free Ghana Police Service. One more time, I actually say, I pay you show forward the democracy harbor nim. Ora Oliver Baka Voma wa posse for actually. One more children, one as any amount was some in your mouth. Na ekwo so wo ya kire nmu no nyame no kwasem ne nneoma enkoye kura ero na kan wo bie manne aposifo ahwe mu a wo wasa Ghana mamra ne bedie na akasa ne nyamu no aposifo din ka kire ni padma kuma kudu ba kodeda ya wasa safo ne nyina de batoto won ma no na mra no atumi di won ma gina babia esena efata na ansa na yewura ya baba kire no I want some for a kasai, a brand wire channel quasuano, a man sembi, what your much. I'm
not in hiding. I've been having conversation with the police officers. In fact, yesterday, we went through several police stations trying to find where people have been held, all the way down to Amray here, in search of persons who have been arrested. We have not been able to find them. Our consistent message to the police is that, which of these police stations do you want me to show up in? I am going to show up today. I'm going to go to a police station today and demand that I be arrested, as we are talking about. For us, yes, I'm going to demand that I be arrested today because I think that, well, the police claim they're looking for me, and I don't want us to, you see, these conversations are deliberately put in the air to foster a feeling of criminality around the exercise of constitutional rights. We cannot allow that narrative to foster. It doesn't serve our democracy. It doesn't serve the attention to the real issue of galamsey that we want to bring attention to. So I would allow myself to be arrested in the same way that we are calling on other people as well to show up today and get themselves arrested. Because the choice between arrest and galamsey continuing, I think it must be clear to everyone what it says we must, as citizens in this country, choose. So we would rather get ourselves arrested, and I'll be showing up today to get my arrested today and insist that I be arrested before the day is.
I was not just I don't know your tour and some no so. Na aka na kakra me yakwa to aba de obi ani abrepa ekuoku ahodo ye wo maga mu ya wo susu se aban ne won mani ne ye fona ketua samala wanse ane ade no safo ne nyina asode a wo mo se won ba ye oyekira na sempo won ba ko strike na wo de tie aban no na enta bia ana Ghana Association of University Administrators won mo nyina tie atua wi akire tewufo ka ho ane senior staff won mo de wo mo gi mo se won mo tie atua awa ban so ana ye kwada so de ya na fo fidai na nke nim sanke ye baba tia semode ama Ghana ye ho asepa ye Colleges of Education Teachers Association of Ghana ye twene tia kan se sitag won mo so de abase afre nyame ye adomu ana wotwefo fra ye baba simu no won mo tie atua na won mo tia tie ne nyina anya bibia semra bi atwamuo won mo tie atua saa ma ban ne won mo kwotena ase esi nkonwa ehye won mo body se de kan ho wi akire kura tafre na batwe se wo ba ye de won mo hia nyina ade ama won mo a enam so ma atuate no wotwe de sensen ye afa won mo tena se ahwa aban nanim abepem se sa aban no wonya na adwene kura se de mo kan no de ye adwuma enam so nti no won so ate atua nyame ya dom wo firi na wotwe a ye baba simo de ko se bibia ma mesankan mu a aka wo bi ama enei Yana Dr. Dominic Owusu akasa adiafo asemi ho. Wo yakasa mafo de masitag enna wo cheche mo se. Wo mo de omukusakusa nyina hye wo mutirim. Se fete ne ya de kwapem fiada won man tahwe emfra ban no ho a. Nyame ya dum adwo ada ye die ne mu. Won mo tiachia.
We want to state emphatically that we are law-abiding citizens, and we know that using strike as a weapon to drive home our demand will have repercussions on our students, among others. What we are saying now is that government should look at the Ghanaian student. Government should look at what is currently happening and the fact that teacher education is the foundation of education in Ghana, and the life of the college education lecturer matters because we are training the teachers who go back to train children to become engineers and doctors. Therefore, our welfare matters. So the government should prioritize teacher education and do the needful. The migration has dragged on for more than 23 months. We don't want to go on another strike. In fact, as I speak to you, we are rushing our students through the second semester activities, and you could see occupational stress and burnout being experienced by our members and then our students who are also going through academic stress and academic burnout. All these things are not good for Mother Ghana. So what we are saying is that duty bearers should rise up to the occasion and do what is needful so that we prevent another strike. So there's a meeting between us and government. But here again, look at it. We have had more than 43 meetings, consecutive 43 meetings on our condition of service. So the question now is that do we eat meeting? Do we eat meeting? Do we eat promises? Please, you don't need meetings. You don't need promises. They know what to do. They know what they have to do. They know they have to sign some documents. They know they have to give us the migration offline data. They know they have to pay us the all year round work. People are being paid for some of these things. As we are working and killing ourselves, they should also.
I was on Tanan Kaya, Panyapayo Kasa, Adama Sitag, Ora Dominic Owusu. Now, you know, Moya Juma, our Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana. One more so dear bar at Rossa, one more teachia, our banner so. Now, if it's in Yamia, do my hour day, dear, the Mude Korea, September was me. Not at all, what you know, Sunday chrono. And you don't be quite maybe sunset. Near buying one more in Yamini. I like what I Kuntrumuna Faba Moto, Sabio no Shago, Yago Pakura. Ya was a one more tenacity, not also so. And I'm Sasson tea one more cardia trapine. Saswabaga can walk a can want him. Sansa Tamechipa. Yaka, one so I was your 4. 1 more year, Juma the chef fear. Yes, I was a 1 month qua. I will say water. It is a Wabasa bite 1 month car. One can one who and yes, I want to show. Yami admire what I would do no man in a good form. Panya or church or the McQuay send a bear dache. 1 year almost about to me a kind of rock of Jordan. One of some Paka Siaka Sai, Echimudientia, almost when you ever say.
Remember last year, close December, we threatened similar strike on these very issues. And then we also have issues with the coronavirus bonus that the president promised in 2020, all dating back. And we think that the employer has not been very, very, very serious with issues with mortuary workers. And for that matter, for these reasons, we think that the time has come that for once, with all the threats that we issued, we should implement that right now by closing down all mortuaries. We are going to implement, you give us time. The National Labour Commission last year issued a directive. You know, it has already issued so many directives in terms of this implementation. The last one was November last year, giving them deadline up to 29th of December. And when we are getting to October, almost a year, in February, we wrote a letter reminding the employer no reply came from any quarter. So we think that they want to see us close mortuaries. They want to see Ghanaians go to hell for them to understand that it is not out of, you know, what we are getting to, we can't complete, we can't come for negotiation. Negotiation has been done. So we expect them to just pay, do the needful, and then workers will not even attempt to go to the strike at all. That is why we have served notice that the law requires. So
I was aware Panyapaya or Church or the Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana, or Kofi Jordan. Yako and Sanfu from Mona, Panyakwancho for Yamidima for her back clinic. Wadano your doctor, Professor Edu Jenfi. What they are to jar at your Sawama Ghana. I answer so here pa sunset nay. Sunny no America Kono. Yansa City Yan Shoya, Essayan Waka Hubi. Ama a baby draw crowd in Yamianimni, Nanimo Yamno Yaba from. Was said no be quiet in her money, I didn't know the year dra. I am not sure a cranny hook a crowd woman say. You're not bandy and sass and why assas and winning tino. I am a chemical say, dear Bruni Becano, Ninata be a yas seno. I can't be my penny control for the atuja. So I was my pa, Galam said woman and in Cohon. Ye good wayanguno, young one swaying as a pa, bet to your bois. Answer a quabre to an affair, Yensu and Swan so ever said Janaso. A BM a banner wrestle bet to me trying. Now what you share baby drone son so my Ghana. Ya was ye. What a sunset running out to Jawabra no dinner what done I'm sure. At a time near my bit is TV. And now friends will cry mobile phone so and ne a morning a day and my sabio in Yanama or Munibi.
Because as I assume we 200 or more a great minister. Nana so obe control no ed. It is a yenya fa ye ho adwen will be away her baby so wa anya wa farm. In the next 5 years, no won't mean fat, won't mean why and I won't mean what dear have a media. Oh, baby, as I have. And yes, baby, baby, praise empty. For now, dear, a idea essay ye bibia enti yentu ya fa ye ho adwen se ye ni akasa ye beye ye farm o me ukọ me wa me wolan kakraka e wo finsu titremu a masase a me ye so adwuma me dua enua ene me ha ma so pese wo adwuma tu mpon ko ade a gise o ye bibisa
tisi
enye ye titi ye wo enkurase titino ko afom kura ye nsansuo Putru wafumu a nsuo wo hɔ na wanum bi ene menye hwɛ sɛ obi ene wo betima ka sɛ ɔkɔ afumu a ɔmfa nsuo ye nsuo nyina enua wo hwɛ dube kwa wo hwɛ bia awerɛho ye tu nua gu a nipa anyine saa nyema nyina na sɛ ye we dia na ɛdeɛ bɛn ɔman yi ni da wokɔ
I will say Dr. Time da so anayete nka to the first clinic na ya kan for dia ma wo sɛ kono kokogya ya resawate I will to a sintini atwe de aba na murumu ye de bidro kan na say ade na say ho kohia say de kwasi bro ne de kan ho so a ye na sa pepepe ye wala laboratory centers wo scan ene massage ahodro ne nyina no ye be ye obi kama awie kire so de dro tato ompewe na apede ye branches ne doors of 15 ne akiri kuma say ye wo Ashore overseas junction afrayan kran so be ho ye wo dome market obo ase cancel quarters sunya ne kranza Tachima ne ade nyina ye wo ho 0540 311 0540 311 311 kwakwa masete dro no aya 3 o'clock capsules aya 3 herbal center na dia ba won san wadwuma no ebo adwuma sa nya asem keto ama wo sisi na ye ya kwakwa na se ayam tim na aba be sha so akwaba na sa no a aya wontumi nkwa amansa gya na so aya na ho kyerɛw ani wo ne fɛre ye wo baabi na afei wafuru no ahyase ye kutu hwɛ wo benya 3 o'clock capsules no wononom na yi sa de we nyina de afiri hɔ eno mebɔro akɔle na keba dani helba misty ne apedank anasa fry na pandodo mutu awo 0546 107 107 05 46 107 107 express nie yana yade wo tu kwan ahe na apaso ko kusua de okoye adwuma scholarship to ne holidays ni adada no abusua fa ho boyen na yemfa wo nkɔ yade ane nya nkwancha de na kwa wie kyerɛ batua se ka ba wie ne yade wasim ni bia da bi yadwuma ne ho tinti bia ne yebue branches no yese kuma se wa airport runabout ana fa asafo labor runabout and cran so obanwe ye waka na shi first light bibia ne afra ho mano 0249 00 0448 0249 00 0448 afemi zone 5G so ya kan for dia mawo aya no made pa no de ahodi wo mu na pomden pa wom na boa mu apomden ne sipi na sa sitare ka ho aya mi zone 5G ba bibia da busu se chawo e wadwama so a okono bisa won sabeka bititiru ana 21st clinic ehwa overseas awoso ya jira weso ne ya dan ho ya ba ya ne CPP amanyoku no ebedinko
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nasia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo o magye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha baabi a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duaba won waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hiye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afiri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako ewo ni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wadidi awie ubenya brakasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 brakasa powder aduane san yedru FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agi atum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otu adidi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwantu aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beko mind bi to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say eye to anase visiting so a. Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, anase South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a kwai Kumasi Asafo Labor roundabout Hwa, Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Ahomacho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Pampa, I was so your toa and some no as so. Na aya for Fidason Kokra at the Magana mai. And when you first say as Samampania Tunbedina Radiant ye, Samampa was so Ghana diapa. No mind dear Juma, a brainina, or Sergeant for Doctor Kwame Kroma Ghana Mampanino Dikain. And I quite see a Kwanyan Finshan were ha. And it do 115 years. And I'm sorry so ama and I remember ye chemu na ayana for feeders from kwana sempo. Nifia no wanya no. And na Ghana my nyina say ya. Yadaji a home na fe dia kai papa ni modern born to wache. Ninsi ye na dwen pa wode ma Ghana. Ya nam so mo je Ghana edisi honom. Na wokọ CPP amanyoko ni mu a. Ewo no free ye obedi Ghana mampanyini. Ya obatena akonya so atoto nneoma wi akire. Okwa ne krachi sepia manyoko ne dia ba a kira se womra ho pa na womra wo seida womokra na boto sansa yero kwa menkroma na Ghana no ojaye no enenya no ne yehuni wo hwe nsuwa ne yakwa ebretu no ma sei ya Ghana kam yese san ye chia ne sa na asami ti yakwa ma no so na ya ne yero ose kofi akwa kodi nkomo we National Communications Director Adama CPP amanyoko no obayeka se amuajo
Yanya.
Nani mambo kwa die?
Enye.
Nya dia nya sana ye hunu no. Na adie na ma CPP mo kan say ye. Say rankroma Ghana no enwoma sesa wom.
Amenchia na menchia wotifo. Na menko menchia infi mo ase. Na menhia kotoko ho. Ehia na bempɔn ne amanhin enia ɛyɛ afe 6 of March 1957 ana Ghana for CPP for and Osade for that Kwame Nkrumah yen say yen koso emma bibini entane memu na onsi apini na woni aweho if you say bonia ba the way bia na ye say o se wo man no na wo je o man no akọ otwa timba o de kọ tu godu a o de kọ madan mo so a o de kọ se dia asase no be sia bia no boni mfa ho aspitia oba ya wo ye se o krokra no sa aspiti no na eyabrofo kwa ne kọ ho so mbetana na ntonto yi wo no nya malaria no kọ ho. We are talking about Kulibu any aspitia ekeka ho sa die we na ma Kwame Nkrumah na CDP aban ye ne se enyi fa wo di free abrofo nsem na ye to tue nyoma enna me no kase Kwame Nkrumah awukọ abrofo no a ye ka se omuni bi papa bia ma ye enu nti ye to tue nyoma se de be bi e ho so no enne Ghana fo bi akose sa abrofo bi a omo de omo san tientia omo 9 omo sun tientia ana omo akote sa excavators abesi ye payem ana omo bubu nnua essence na dia awe ko ne se yen na nanu wan ko school omo si school dem da enso hu nyansa se that Asante baba na baba be ye Ghana ni enti enya no nsuo kuku abeba koku atwe opeto pa enti enya nsate a ye di dua buro ne de etewa de ye yie obi an so man hene pebe kupa no fufuo eno so yenya wo masase a wo dua banchene bode a de ye yie enne ye esi akọ school no ensase ni nsu a ye nanan bi gya ye no yakofa fanfan and excavators and the yakoputi shom yakusi kwayim and yes sensors no and yes sensu no mini aba ma me kwan na men kasa men chansa ye kantran kofo to galam say dimi no ye dimi no aye ye because mini aba ade ba ko a be jinwa men tia sense kwabane and ananu hia o de agya wo no or sensu no or we are who are pure water and the bottled water. So bottled water a free him pack. So one kind of buku adianum sensu no and pampa and super wouldn't be free. What they say about water it's a water. What is I say water say him for the water. And I would dear back as all Baba no. Me wa on a nan show with the jawa. Wow, so when you say a dakway and maybe now and I'm stand up there. Una nan du ku omu fo so no o se no e to bio se ye dimia so e dem an kwan e ye dimia se ye sikam pim free gold mu a minia e ben ku ya fufu ya bayde ya body ya minim una isentoni e bia me de sabe menya sentoni ntimani ntua da ben na yate na bakwasam se obi so akosikani bi fie no kwani sikani ni pese wote se o sika pa enti plate anasa ayuwa esi na ni mo ba be die no e ye 50 Ghana note 100 Ghana note 200 Ghana note ana wati tie gum ana wati abomu ataso na busa se bema na adana wati ti sika bu anu a ofusa mtie se wo sika ti be di sika but what be that
wow
what you say sikani bi so wo sika nti gold wa any damo a wo no wanani yegu apotorium so ba ti se da
ebi si dawura
enti ege dan na o man ya yadli ya juma e dan ya nkofo ye ne sia post school yes sense services any transfer e de ko ensasia ye na nam gya ho se kwakọ se no na ye wi a ya kwakọ to ediane fra brote ba be di yadli ya juma
ayero se ebu amekakra o ye se ansa na ehwo be hunu bom kwan no na kromani na akere no anti yenua no China fo yi a woka won masemi ayaya Ghana fo yi na ya kere won mo kwan ya ama won mo di se adwuma no na CPP amanyoko no madawro mo ade na mo ye na saa de we nyina to atwa sanse yewra osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah menim se ba bi owo bia na ne nye sa Ghana na kwa koduru se yi
ha me no ka say ensu a Kwame Nkrumah ya bofra na wone ne nanum se bi no so nsubile e won kran nkrofo
okay
ensu no na Kwame Nkrumah oya akora no ne fa ba bi won mu a ono a kwafo no bra obetum gare man ho ba no ene galamsey nti ensu na sai empatra na Kwame kotu dra wo mu eyi empatra bi ba we no ensu ni nyina sai na asema obusa no me de kwana nanom so ye nyina aye nim se ye yankoda na ye titi ye nkuro asin kitenkete no na nanom yi da bisi wo se ene dwada brada nkwada ya wada fiada meme da dabone yankonsuo na nya sesebe bibiti ho na mu se de be ya nanam bi se ye sansuo na na ehunu nti no ensuo no an kasa nsa no yare na ade beti na ani atnan ana se agene kama etimi busa na nanom se dabone du na ofa snap so gugunsa na uti otu de ambonsa na uti asase ya ansa ensuo no mu a ofra wo mu gu o mu nsa sebe ombokro mu ban ensuo be na ofra wo because o wusuo ni nyina da ntuma ofra da ntuma akobla da ntuma sese brima da ntuma ani nyina no entwaye na ubisa assembly CPP for as part of your campaign ya ben 2024 we know ye baba ye bibia ye say ye feno psychological warfare against galamsey we know ba e kuro wo me say ya bonko foto ekwo mo because of galamsey aso mo kusu ye ya see excavators aso ko focus on mo to galamsey ya team ko focus because of galamsey ya ko soldier for because of galamsey adoma police ni bia na say e say event say takpad go baby na boaso baby you fit try no because of galamsey enti ye hunu say enkofo no a eye galamsey no ankasa no sebi akom kakra eno nti dedican ye catch na nado dan kwa akofo de say bibi a friend small scale mining any medium scale mining on twem at once ye ni bi bia wo ya say small scale mining e galamsey
yo asansem ye yenim say nipa pinu ataka na mo CPP de mudim wo ma Ghana ya mamu mu anyam bia no mo be hyebre ne nabi anamu anamotu ofoforo bia mo betu ama ban no gina ne naso
ya nya bre ko asase no ye katra ban say e dia no onim nimbia o de be ko galamsey no
okay
e dia ma di bi e dia katra no say e di ka kra no on chat small scale mining medium scale mining no ani e di ka no je to su mienu community mining no a wo say what will crash na utuma anya no kra galamsey no wa bia MP before and ye dia de free edit for say me do koma o mo it is MP before the to galamsey no and so no yen cha community mining nim ato so bio amapanyate 5 member committee bi onguno me no ka say yes kandapa national security minister okay committee no na ye busa to kandapa say na juma no say ohwe be katre eti galamsey no start free 2016-17 no mobile konyam no wa hu say galamsey say be ye
okay
etu ba fun don set kandapa wa feli abujira po okay committee no bi minister wa say am ye bubu nua wa bra ona say o me chesi kama so edidi nua wa feli
you say
you catch on my penny say and then say o kolati sa nyama ni nya suspend illegal say community mining small scale mining no scale mining na fei on kase hwehwen agina on mine we should declare a state of emergency and declare say every forest is there any ensure bia no national security zone so wouldn't na so woman ni tra wani ton a the boat ekum at once because sabi ensure no na my nkwa asase na my aduane die na yaka we nda tra ban sa ba nya hwe a e betu onfo na ye de demonstration no e be ten de olubabeka bomo o mo ye no ye de be kwa tra ban kwa no otamwa na fe bo chance be google am say ye bo put so sa come say betu aba na 2024
awotre
na ye ka tell say the before whom say MPP aban where you imagine say on to galamsey atia ye ne enkofo betimi akabom Yamma composition. More than a bed fast.
Yo, you're also coffee, Yadawa, no brand, what that Jenny show.
That's me.
Miss Medase, Abusia, where are your National Communications Director, Dema, CPP, Amanyokono, or Circle Fee Aqua, and your turn and continue trust one as a galam say. Abron was so be a can who boom, not you to me, it was see. I was your honey, Ejina. Now you're something na a see. I said, I quote your ma or Santia Boa Benedict. When I saw something the ma ye. Now, what for some queer one more boa no. A crucial some no, a cook over in Kajanto.